Hey everyone, the people at Tenvis reached out to me and asked me to do a review of this new 1080p webcam that they've got. So I would like to thank Tenvis for sending me this review item, which allows me to make this video. Opening up the box, we get this little War of the Worlds spaceship mini tripod and the camera itself. The webcam is capable of 1080p at 30 frames per second and has a design aesthetic that is similar to the Logitech Brio. The webcam head pivots up, down, left, and right, and spins on its base a full 360 degrees. There's a convenient 1/4-20 threaded hole on the bottom of the unit for easy tripod mounting, or it can just easily be placed on top of a computer monitor. I tested the webcam with both Zoom and Skype on Windows 10, and both were compatible. It's plug and play with no need for driver installation. And the webcam worked just fine with Linux. The distro that I tested it with was Zorin OS. So when I do these kinds of reviews, I like to have something to compare the product to. And it occurs to me that I don't actually own any other USB webcams. I just don't use webcams. So what I'm doing now is I'm doing a recording of the front-facing camera on my Microsoft Surface Pro 3. This is the only other webcam that I own. So I wanted to give an example of the quality of this webcam versus the quality of the Tenvis webcam, and this is basically what that looks like. Now keep in mind that the audio here is being recorded through a lav mic that's being plugged into the TRRS adapter on the Surface Pro 3. The Surface Pro 3, as I found out today, does not have a built-in microphone that I'm aware of. So this is my makeshift solution to that so that you can actually hear what I'm saying now. Now I'm going to switch over to the Tenvis webcam, and I'm going to do a recording of the Tenvis, and I'm going to do a recording of the Tenvis webcam with the built-in microphone on that camera. So right now we're looking at the Tenvis webcam, and I'm recording this with the built-in microphone of the Tenvis webcam as well. What you'll notice right away is that it's super wide. It's a very wide angle lens, and at this angle you can see we've got some fisheye effect going on here. It makes my head look really large and my body look really tiny. We could kind of remedy this if we set everything a little bit further back. I'm about arm's length away from the webcam right now, and this is about the same distance that everything was with the built-in webcam on the Microsoft Surface Pro 3. I tried to get everything as close as I could to positioning of the camera, so as you can see, this is the difference. Now I don't know what the built-in microphone is going to sound like on this, but I'm going to guess that even though this little lavalier mic is a really cheap microphone, I'm going to guess that it does sound a little bit better than the built-in mic of the Tenvis webcam. Built-in microphones on webcams are generally not very good, but as far as a test goes, this is what the picture is going to look like. I did notice right away that the Tenvis webcam does process light a little bit better, and it automatically brings those settings in and makes everything just look a little bit better as far as like I've only got one light on over here, and it's a very dim light, and I've got my window over here, and the Tenvis seems to be like really processing the light a lot better and making better use of that, and everything is set in auto mode right now. So this is the Tenvis webcam doing all of that work. So as far as that goes, that's what this is going to look like. In OBS Studio, it's easily added as a video source. However, the video looks overexposed and blown out. You can go into the source settings and configure the video, which I did, and was able to get a much better picture. Keeping that in mind, this webcam should be an adequate choice for an entry-level game streamer. Just plan on using an external microphone. It's currently listed on Amazon at just under 40 bucks. If you're interested, there will be links in the description below. Alright, that's it for this review. If this video was helpful to you, consider checking out one of my other videos.
And if you would like to help my channel grow, hit that subscribe button and leave a like and a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.